Hi everyone, good morning, one and all. Today we are discussing about the last topic of this chapter, the magnetic effect of electric current. The topic is domestic electric circuits. A domestic electric circuit means furtherly we are used in our homes. So individual circuits can be connected to the entire individual rooms and they are connecting to the energy meter which is came from electric power station. So how the current can be distributed in domestic electric circuits, what we have to need, we can learn about from domestic electric circuits. Let's see, in our homes we receive supply of electric power through a main supply, also called mains, either supported through overheated overhead electric poles or by underground cables. One of the wires in the supply, usually with red insulation cover, is called live wire. Another wire with black insulation is called neutral wire. So that means the red wire can be called as red insulation wire can be called as positive and black insulation wire can be called as negative. In our country, the potential difference between the two wires is 220 volts. So what is a red wire? What is a black wire? So red wire consists of a positive and black wire consists of a negative. That means, so when from the electric power station it is came from the power supply is entered into the transformer and transformer gets a distribution to the current by the homes, current to the homes. So whenever the power is coming from transformers, it can be conversion in AC, that means 220 volts. So we have to take in from the transformer, the current can be, one is positive and another one is negative. That is, wherever we have to use a red insulation wire can be called as a positive, and wherever we have to use a black insulation wire can be called as negative. That is a covered by a copper wire. The insulation, red insulation is covered by a copper wire and the black insulation is covered by a copper wire. So in the two wires, the potential difference between the two wires is 220 volts. So on the voltage, we have go for every domestic circuit, the distribution of voltage can be passing through it. So distribution of voltage means we have go for any electric circuit can be in our homes or industries or factories, whatever it is. So there is the distribution of voltage. Now let's see. In the meter board in the house, these wires pass into an electricity meter through a main fuse. Through the main switch, they are connected to the line wires in the house. These wires supply electricity to separate circuits within the house. Often, two separate circuits are used, one of the 15 amperes current rating for the appliances with a higher power rating such as geysers, air coolers, etc. The other circuit of 5 amperes current rating for bulbs, fans, etc. The earth wire, which has insulation of green color, is usually connected to a metal plate deep in the earth near the house. This is used to safety measure, especially for those appliances that have a metallic body, for example, electric press, toasters, table fan, refrigerator, etc. The metallic body is connected to the earth wire, which provides a low resistance conducting path of the current. Thus, it ensures that any leakage of current to the metallic body of the appliances keeps it potential to that of the earth, and user may not get a serve electric shock. That means, so one of the wire, that is a green wire. The green wire may be called as a earth wire. So usually we are using the earth wire in refrigerators, toasters, table fans, like that. So see here, that is the green wire, and the red wire and the black wire. See, the green wire is earth wire, the red wire is positive, and black wire is negative. So here the electricity came from the power station to electric board fuse, and it goes to electricity meter, that means energy meter, which has taken the reading of our current. In our homes we have to use these electricity meters, and it can goes to distribution box containing main switch and a fuse for each circuit. That means we have 3 rooms, we have 4 rooms, we have 5 rooms in our homes. So every room has individual circuit. That individual circuit have one of the switch can be connecting to the main distribution switch. So all the domestic circuits are connected to the parallel here. See here, all the domestic circuits are parallel here. That is the three circles which is in the blue color. That is the domestic circuits. So that means the individual rooms circuits. So one of the circuit is 15 amperes, one of the circuit is 5 amperes. Means the 15 ampere circuit is high rating power, and the 5 ampere circuit is low rating power. Already we learned about this one. So here now the red wire is connecting to the all the domestic circuits, and the black wire also connecting to the all the domestic circuits, and also the green wire also connecting to the domestic circuits. So this is the brief schematic diagram of the common domestic circuits, and what make it is. So whatever it is, if it is domestic circuits are connected to the all the wires, then wherever we have to a electric shock, to prevent the electric shock, we have to use a green wire. The green wire is nothing but earth wire. The wire is connecting to nearby the house. So whenever we are using the metallic bodies, to produce as a short circuit can have to giving a higher voltage rating, then go ahead prevent a electric shock by green wire. So that means electric earth wire. So usually we are 3 wires are connecting to the domestic circuits. One is earth wire, one is live wire, one is neutral wire. So what we did is the live wire and neutral wire is coming from electric power station. It is entered into the electric board. First one we have to go for electric board, and electric board to energy meter. So and energy meter to distribution switches, and distribution switches to, and again go for all domestic circuits. Clear? So all the domestic circuits has connecting by the parallel to each other. Then go for whenever we have to use a main switch, then the current can be observed in the energy meter. So how much current we have to use in from the domestic circuits we have observed in energy meter. Then we have to find the how much potential difference across between these domestic circuits, and also we have find the how much current, that means how much amperes we have used in energy meters. We have to identify by the current from energy meters. Clear?